In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a comment section in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you click to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath social right here, I want you to click on the comments button, which is option number 2. Then you'll be taken to the comments widget page. From here, click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the template section. So you have two different options to choose from. You have a light mode and a dark mode. Now bear in mind that these templates are both fully customizable, both in terms of design as well as functionality. So don't worry about the default look or feel just yet. This right here is for desktop, but if you click on the mobile icon right here, you can also get a mobile preview of it as well. But yeah, go ahead, choose a template you like the most, and then click on continue this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we can now start customizing your comment section to your liking. Now the first thing you want to do here is decide whether you want to receive email notifications for every comment that is left on your widget. So if you want to receive notifications, click on the first option and then add your email right here, and then every time someone leaves a comment, you'll get notified. If you don't want that, simply go ahead and click disable notifications, and then your comment section will basically just exist and people can comment and stuff without you basically getting notified every single time. Once you've done that, on the left hand side you will also see theme and settings. These are some more customizations they can take advantage of to further customize your comment section. So for example, if you go to settings right here, the current reaction type allows for emojis. However, you can also set it so that it only allows for likes and dislikes like this. So as you can see, like, dislike, no emojis, but you can also add the emojis here if you wanted to. Then you can also change the comment sorting from newest first to top comments or whatever it might be. Then the admin label, the language, you can edit the text. You can also add custom CSS and JavaScript if that's relevant for you. In terms of theme right here, you can change the mode from light to dark mode, like I showed you previously, and then obviously the accent color. I'm not going to go through every single customization they can take advantage of. I'll leave this for you to explore at your own pace. But once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on Add Website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then your comment section widget will be saved up, and you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we need to publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. As you can see, in my case, it's grayed out because my widget is already published, but in your case, it won't be. So go ahead, click on publish, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Do keep in mind that the free plan does come with some Elfsight branding. So if you don't want that, or if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as have more than one widget from Elfsight on your Wix website, or if you plan to get more than 200 views per month on the widget, then obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options they can choose from, and if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to this page, which is where we can copy the code for your comment section widget. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm already in my Wix website. What I want you to do is to go to your Wix editor and go on the page where you want to add your comment section to. In my case, I want it right here on my homepage in this particular section. So I'm going to click to highlight it, and then in the top right corner of the screen, I'm going to click on the search button. And what I want you to search for here is HTML. Wait for it to load up, and then you'll see outside. Simply click on embed after, and then on the left hand side, you'll see this window open up. Underneath popular embeds, I want you to click on embed HTML, and that's going to add this code block to your Wix website. From here, make sure that it's set to code and simply paste the code we just copied previously from Elfsight in this box. Click on update, and all you have to do now is go ahead and resize the comment section accordingly, just so we can get rid of these scrolling bars like that. As you can see, mine is actually quite small because I don't have any comments on my widget yet. So I'm going to keep it like this. I'm going to click save, preview, and let's go to my website to take a look at the comment section. This is what it looks like. As you can see, fully interactive. I can comment hey, and then leave a comment just like that. I can also go ahead and react with an emoji here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a comment section in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.